Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to resize the image in ENVI. First you can open the image. Here I have already done that. You can see the full size of the image like this. And I would like to focus here in the urban area. This is basically the urban area, and these are the vegetations, mainly the forest and some of the agricultural area as well. To resize, search here the term resize in toolbox. Okay, now double click here. Choose the image you would like to resize. You have the two options. One is the spatial subset and another is a spectral subset. If you would like to get less bands than in your original images, then you can go to the spectral subsets. Here these are all the bands from the Landsat 8 images. My interest is only in the blue, green, red and near infrared. So I'm selecting here only 4 bands and then click OK. See here I'm selecting the 4 bands out of 7 bands. If I do click here, then I'll have the options to save it. We can choose the resampling method. In general, we prefer to use the nearest neighbor. We have the options to go to do the pixel size in the output images, but we leave it the default one. Here we can save the image in the hard disk, or we can keep it in the memory. If we choose the memory options, then we don't have the options to browse the file location. Here I'd like to save it in my hard disk, so I just keep it here and subset by bands 2 to 4, right? That is the default extensions for the ENVI software. And I click OK, then click OK. So it takes a few seconds, and now I have the image. If you remember, I give the name. I give the name, bands, subset bands 2 to 4. Here is the blue, green, red and near infrared, and they came from the resize options. Now we can load the RGB from here as well, red, green and blue. Load data. I'll get the same image actually. And here is the same one. I'm removing these all non-necessary images from the view. Let me stress it is with the 5%, so it's better bright. Now let me show you how to do the spatial subset. Go to the resize data again. For that you can search here resize. This is my interested image. I'd like to go to the spatial subset. Here is the one option. You can give the range of the sample and lines of your interest to get the smaller, to get the image of the whole image, subset of the image from the whole image. Let's say like 1000, like from 500. Sorry. Can click OK, and then click OK again. Here see there are samples from samples are just 837 and lines are 750. I have saved the subset image by lines and sample.dat. Now we'll get a smaller size image than before. From one side it comes here, it is here. See, this is the image we just saved. This is the original one. Here you can see this one. This is the only part we tried it here. Another way to do this subset, let me close this one and we'll work in the original one. Another way to subset is to make the ROI. Here is the tool. It is the way to define the region of interest. Click here. Here is some options. You just click, and then right click, complete, and accept the polygon. I have this polygon and I'm interested to subset the image only for this area, so I can close it here. Resize data, go to this one, original image, we go to the spatial subset and subset using ROI. I already defined one ROI, that was the red color, and here is the green color ROI, if you remember that. Now I cannot show you again because it doesn't allow me to move this window. Here is the ROI2 as the green color. We can give any name. I choose this one, green color. Okay. See this is the green color. So here, okay. Now it's time to choose the file name. I save in subset by ROI.dat. Perhaps I already did that one. I already saved the subset underscore ROI file already in the RS lab drive. So I give the name 1. And then now it is the unique one. No conflict. Okay. Now see, here is the image. We got it. We got the interested image here. If I do off, then we cannot see. This is our area, and its area is like this. We got the subset. Another way to do the subset is, again, go to resize data, select the image, input image, and then go to the spatial subset. Here we can do the file. Here I have one image already that named the subset. Okay, we can do that. Subset ROI.dat. That is my interest. To get the area is same area as the subset ROI from this original input image here. I'm now going to do subset using the subset ROI.dat, means image file. So its dimensions start from here to here and then here to here. This is a very small one. Let me try again. Okay, if I do the spectral subset again here, blue, green, red. Let's do it only for 3. So this is my spatial subset area, range of lines and samples, and this is the number of bands I selected, 3 out of 7 bands. Click OK. Time to give the name of the file, subset through file.dat. Yes, here see, this is the subset we did from the ROI, region of interest, that we defined here through this ROI tool, and this one is the area subset we did through the file. That file was already defined and opened in the ENVI. That's all about the image subset or resize data. Anything we can say that? Thank you for watching this video.